Oh, just push him away. Nobody now got to him. Who find these people? See him right there. Okay, all right, so let's tell you what we're gonna do now. We're gonna break that house down, and you know, I'm gonna get in some people from my team. They are gonna come here and they're gonna take over, sir. You can turn over what you have for us. Where were you? Where were you? I dare me go walk up in a one people place where they might do them charity and talk about turn over your mama. Turn over what? I saw no stay. We don't know there when the youth eat scallion and thymes and tomato for meat. But as me start doing, you know, everybody come. I saw we look, so we stay, we fight because we want the fame. Brother, me tell you already. Me make my fame ready by doing girly, big boy, and Mr. Handsome. And that keep me going. A laborer's word of his higher. Why you think so me get so much sure? Because guess what? The Bible said your gift will make room for you. You just do it and you are going to perform in front of some kings and some high places. You think a little bit of, you think of some small people me perform in front. My gift is going to make me perform in front of some great man, great woman. So youth, just encourage, man. Encourage. And if you choose, charity is not an easy road, sir. It is not an easy something that you just come and pick up. So you're going to get the whiplash. You're going to get the... But if you feel in your heart that you have a giving heart and you can get the help from others to help others, do it. And sometimes when you get a little own of money and you feel like say you wanted to put something in there, put it. Don't depend on everybody else. Do it out of your own, because that's how charity is. Charity starts from within. Me I make sure no so me now make my generation them suffer, my daughter, my nieces, my nephew, and brother and sister. Me make sure help them out of what me have, out of what me get. Not putting them up to get it, but what I get. And that's the reality. That's the real thing. I'm gonna stop. Me mention Sashidel for a reason. When Sashidel was doing the little girl, the woman and the man, for the mother and the daughter for their eyes. And when they helped them to go away, not one time a person mentioned, Sashidel, thank you for giving us the opportunity to get closer to this family, to help them. Nobody has never even said, dog, thank you. Not that said, but at least gratitude is a must. And if a government official come in and when they come in and then take over the project and then when they look, you know what they're going to say? All right, you know, thank you so much because you achieved to make this young man get a house. You achieved to make them get school feel and everything. Everybody know what pop up. Me never hear nobody mention. Every politician and everybody I talk, me never know hear them mention. Not one time they mention the youth name and say thank you to the youth. Anybody know his name? Nobody has come out and said thank you, young man, for helping us to find this family. As me telling you, this thing when named charity gonna send some people to prison. Me say me mark me word, some people have to go tell the government how them get what them get because of the same charity, because some of we too licky. Some of we don't know how to work, some of we don't know how to sweat. We don't want in a suit and just a dictate and they tell people what to do. And that's some of we want to do. And just sound like we are supervisor, we are manager, we are manage other people money. We are build house and phone back no sweat to build house. Una make store, una make concrete structure, una make everything and phone back now sweat. Then una forgot me una talk to me because me no business 1 red cent. All me know nobody can call me name for nothing. When it come to that, me get something to give, me give it and go on where me do a video and me show it, so me give it and it done with. You understand what I'm saying? That's how it is. So people, leave this young man, let him do, let him help the people, because the help is coming and him is there. And as I said before, when nobody wasn't there, him. You see him doing video, and this video is circulating around. When you look, you see them on TikTok, people are put it up, and them want likes, them want views off. And a fool no video. Alright, you put it up. Did you come out of your pocket and take out some lunch money out of what you have and put it towards the young man? In Ghanaian? Alright. You never put on a lunch money towards, say, alright, a gas money, but you not have it up. It is not my duty to post it. What am I going to post it for? To look views? No, man, me look views by putting on my character, man. Put on me clothes. And that are my views. That are for me. I get views off of something else. No. What me need now is an information. When we can get in touch with him. Buy me one water. Touch with not the young man who want water.
Oh.
Buy me one water.
Brother,
buy one. Which part?
Oppressor.
Where?
Oppressor, we just buy ginger beer and water.
For 150? Come in like a minute, which part in the world on day. Christ, man. Sure by now. Sure by now. And I told them, I see the youth with him plan. With him plan, and he must show up on the plan where the bathroom gone there, where the kitchen gone there, where the bedroom gone there. But are they going to allow him to do that? At least allow him, because now he's passionate of doing it. Or you guys, or the government, or the people that are going to allow him to do that on his own self, man. Make him realize that he worth something and he take up this responsibility and say, I'm shooting it out. Allow him. Make him get that opportunity done when he can sit back and say, thank. Make him cry if you want to cry and say, look what me do. The people them from everywhere come through and the people them help me to build a house for this young man. Allow the youth. Allow him to do that. Good gosh, man. I want to come in now, I want to take responsibility like, I want to go find people. I want to go out there and make people a call on a thief. Make people a call on a dishonest. Because of that, they always do. After a while, it rain down upon you. So this morning when I look and I see a lady, I defend him and the lady, I cuss and they say, oh no, wicked, that's why I can't get better. I don't wrong the lady. I don't wrong the lady from defending youth. I don't.
Yeah.
Young man in. To be honest, I not even know which parish the young man in. I want to see me go there now with my team and start talk. I want to see me video. They may not come around. They may not come around. Think about it. Look for me or not look for me and say, I want somebody to do this. No. The only reason my present would have been there, unless I may drop off 120,000 or 130,000, give the young man who I help the family and move. That's the only way. But everybody want to do things for them way. Everybody want to take over the youth project. I'm not going to buy something. Leave so. I just that, and the reason why I say, I want woman to say come on, and the woman really arrange. The woman really get upset because no, everybody of want come in, send people, make me be in control. Sign us out. Let me be in control. Humble. I saw him, no know him personally, but the way him talk, you can say is a youth that tried. And to me, the reason why he's doing it, he's seen other person do it, and he feel like say, you know, say me can help, me say me can help. And he will be probably the youngest person now that started this. And he might end up to be the best one. Out of all of it, he might end up to be the best one. You know watch. Cover it up. Me upon him, I do me live. Cover it up. He might end up to be the best one. It's a thing called trust. People trust us. We allow people from all over the world to trust, saying, listen me, I'm going to trust you with my money to help a family. I'm going to trust you with my money to feed 4 people. Trust. And when the money come and you say, listen me, and then when you look, some persons trust you. Listen me, you don't have to make a video and send it to me. You don't have to call me name on social media, but I trust you. Do you trust yourself to do exactly what the people them say without take $1 for yourself, without even to put gas out of it? Sometimes me go give things out. Me not take out no money out of it for gas. And my own money me use spend gas. Because that is a part of what I'm putting. I put in my service number 1. Me putting in my service number 1. I mean, gas money because normally when a person who's sending you money to do charity, them say, listen me, I'm sending you this and take this for gas. You don't need to go back in and take out nothing else. You don't need to shorten the people amount because you get your gas money different, you get your lunch money different. That's how charity run. They send that to you separate. I know, so we can educate you about it. So me no need if a person send 100,000, I forget that person there. And when me carry 100, me not supposed to give him 80,000. Me not supposed to give him 100, you say, and cause me get mine. The person, I am the worker, so I'm working for that person, I'm working for Uno. So them say, Lascelles, I am giving you this separate for yourself, for buy gas, for buy food, and you, all of them give you, for buy gas and buy food. You can't done it off one time, because you still have more. People, me can't educate you, me can't tell you because I've been in there, I see how it worked for a while. Greed stepped in a lot of times. People greed because when people see you, I get. And they must say, how come the boy I get that, why am I forgot to do something, Some persons not just God speak to their heart and say, I want you to work to give charity. Some person now do charity they are doing opportunists. Me tell you that already. An opportunity come away and them see the opportunity. Me never start this by opportunity. I mean one barrel when me get me give away. Never know how it was going to last or how it's going to maintain, but it maintain. Me no give away what me no have. I mean, if I call you, if I give it on my own. Me go in on my own, and that's why I'm broke. That's why I'm broke. So find out. Me tell you this. Me just show you. Me explain to you. Don't be greedy. Don't because somebody else is being successful because they're doing something you feel say, oh, me want to do it too, and then you have your charity over here. So a whole lot of people that do charity. Only. And when they can't get funding, they get something more. We tell them already, charity, and when you're doing a fundraiser, you do it publicly and tell people, say you want certain amount to do certain amount, and people understand what you do. You put on one little concert so the people then pay for the concert. So all me I said, to the Tucker family, the person, the young man, who come there and find no make nobody push him away. Tell the people who come into say, no, other you there help me. And I want him to stay with us. No make them push the youth away. No make them push the youth away because we get help. No need no mansion, no need no upstairs and downstairs, and just need something comfortable. Better than one to have a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room. I told them the little boy get him one room, the little girl get him one room, and even if the little girl and his mother can't share one room for the time being, then do it until you add on more. Just understand what I say. Me no feel mad. The only thing when me feel upset is the constant people who constantly sending me the video and sending me the text to go help, because that's what I do. Yes, that's what I do, but I don't go there. That is not my responsibility. My responsibility is to make sure say if me have one change and carry get the young man who start the project and him know what him I do with it. My responsibility is not to go over there and do a video on them. My responsibility is not to go over there and take over his project. That's what him I do. Allow him, make him take care of that. And if he fail upon that, then they only will find out about him soon enough if he's not